Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. You got me 2 weeks in a row. I know, right? I'm back. Well, let me not jump for joy too much because I might go on another break. I'm good for it. I might just mess around and be like, I'm going on another break. So real quick, this is this period's new video. So if you guys want to see the shopping bags of things, I have 4 bags of clothing. Stay tuned. Well, hi there. Welcome to future me, or me today, tomorrow, whatever. Today is November 16th. The footage that you just saw, the intro, was shot on November 3rd. That video you were actually supposed to see last Sunday, but I didn't like the footage. I absolutely hated the footage. It didn't come out the way I wanted to, so I went on vacation. I've been gone all week. And decided I'm going to redo the whole thing. So right now, I just finished shooting the redo of the video. One, I didn't like the footage, and two, the video was going to run 40 minutes, and I was not going to do y'all like that. I was not going to put you all into a 40-minute video. That just was not going to happen. It was not going to happen. So I reshot the video so you all can have a more condensed version of all the fashion. So I'm going to actually kind of splice the 2 videos together because there's a couple of announcements that, well, I think one announcement and the other one I'm not going to do because I'm just not going to do it. But anyway, let me stop rambling, and I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on the socials, and that's about it. Talk to you guys later. Okay, well, as you all know, I have an issue with shopping, and I like to shop a lot. When I'm in Target, I go to the clothing section, and I'm there a lot. So, what do? I shop. But I have a couple of announcements to make in this video. So first, let's start with the very first announcement, then we're going to get into the stuff, and we're going to get into the next announcement. So we don't let this video run too long. There's going to be a link below to my PoshMark closet. Yes, I'm going to be selling a good amount of clothes. Some for summer, some winter, just stuff. I'm getting rid of a lot of clothing that either I never was able to wear, or I never wore, or I forgot about, or things I wore previously and I've grown out of because I can't get some wet. Yeah. So, click the link below. You'll be able to see my PoshMark closet. There is a pair of sneakers in there. No bags as of yet. We do not know if I am going to post any bags. I have not made a decision on that, but there's a lot of, right now it's very premature. I have a lot of pants. There's a dress, but there's going to be some more things being added in the next few weeks. So go ahead, click below. You'll be able to talk to me over there and see, you know, what I'm selling. Everything's pretty reasonably priced, you know, so just go over there and see. All right, now let's get into the new stuff. Let's look at what I got from Target. That's later. Let's start with some shapewear. I actually picked up some shapewear. Funny thing is, I never thought I was going to be buying shapewear. I don't know why. Because I used to own a pair of Spanx when I was bigger. I'm not even going to talk about how big I used to be, because then some people were like, that's not that big, you know, but for me it was big. I picked up some shapewear from Target. This is from Assets from Spanx. This is the high-waisted mid-thigh short. So these come up to under my breasticles, all the way down to my kneecles, and is very, 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 It's very firm. Let's see. Let's see. These were $28. It's a size medium. She kept it on the hanger for me, which was no big deal. I like these. I actually tried on the black pair when I got home. Yeah, I did. I got them in black too. Gotta have, if you're gonna get them, you gotta get them in two colors. You gotta get natural and you gotta get black. And here's the ones in black. Right here, like I said, I tried them on. That's why they're a little ranker, because they've been laying in the bag. But these are really cool. Like I said, you can put them on. They'll go right up under your breast all the way down to your knees. And these would be great to wear under dresses and skirts and things like that. So you can, you know, keep it all nice and sucked in and everything looks nice and smooth. The next thing I picked up, actually I picked up two pair of leggings from A New Day. I got a pair of black and a pair of gray. These are the cozy leggings with French terry lined high-waisted. One pair. These are the small medium, which I probably should have got the medium large. So I might exchange these out. We'll see. And these are the medium pair of the gray ones. I got these in a nice gray. These are the cozy leggings with the wide waistband. This is just one pair of these. I really like... I don't wear leggings a lot. I'm just going to admit to it. I just really got into wearing leggings more not too long ago. I only wear leggings underneath dresses or like long tunics. So, and that's really what I'm going to wear these for. So I was just like, well, let me go ahead and get those because they looked really nice. And they looked warm because it gets really cold here in St. Louis. Another thing I picked up were these sweater tights in a medium large, which that's what I should have gotten. Other ones, which I'm going to Target tomorrow, so I'm probably going to exchange them out. So I got these in a medium large. These are a sweater tight. I got these to wear under my Missoni dress that I picked up and a few other things that I have here in the bag that you're going to see. And yeah, I own actually another pair of Hue sweater tights and I like those so much I had to get some more. Another thing that I picked up, y'all know what it is. I got some more Missoni. I got the Missoni scarf. This is the 100% silk scarf from the anniversary collection from Missoni. You all know I got the Isaac Mizrahi on the day of the sale, and I kind of was like, I'm not gonna get the Missoni scarf, but they still had a good amount of Missoni left. When we were there last weekend, they still had a lot of Missoni left. The last thing I want to mention is right behind me. I forgot I was going to mention that at the very beginning of this video. I don't just have clothing pieces to show. I do have a couple of new albums. Right behind me is a new album I picked up from Prince. This was the Originals album, and I almost didn't buy it. I almost didn't buy the album because I was like, I don't know if I can deal with new music. But then I found out it's not new music. This is all the songs that Prince wrote for other people, and I think for himself. I think no, these are all things he wrote for other people, and he's singing all the songs. So these, I believe, were like the demos to everything. My niece Liliana bought it, and we were listening to it. We were out somewhere and listening to it. I was like, okay, I have to get this. So I was at my local record store. Shout out to local record stores all over the country. And shout out to my local record store down the street from my house, Vintage Vinyl, where I picked this up at. This actually is a combination CD and vinyl. I have not opened it yet. I don't know if I'm going to open it, but I am going to open it eventually. When I open it, I will put pictures on Instagram, so look out for that. That is the first of 2 albums you guys are going to see in this video. So next segment, you're going to get another album. All right, let's start with the album behind me. Oh, this brings back so many memories. Picked this album up at Half Price Books. This is A Tribe Called Quest, Midnight Marauders. This album brings back a whole hell of a lot of 90s memories, especially of after high school. Well, really high school, really. Album came out, I think, like 93, 92, something like that. And I didn't get hip to it till like the following year after I graduated. And that was like the best thing ever for me to do. Let's get hip to that album. This album, front to back, is one of my favorite Tribe albums. If you have never heard it, I think you need to hear it. So, Midnight Marauders. We're gonna start the segment with that, and then we're gonna go into H&M. Yep. Store I hit, The Gap. Launch back in November 2017. I was forced. I'm not gonna say forced. Let me just say forced. I launched a blog. I was actually going to talk about this earlier this year during first quarter. Reason why I didn't talk about it is because I hadn't gotten around to putting in new content, but new content has gone onto the blog. So I have a new blog. It is called Sneakers and Handbags. Hello, it's me. That is what it's called. Sneakers and Handbags. So I'm going to put a link to Sneakers and Handbags below so you guys can see the first few vlogs that blogs that I have there. They're mainly school related because they were assignments from classes, but you do get a bit of an insight of me in those blogs. And also there are going to be new blogs that are non-school related on there coming up very soon. So let me go. I have a lot of cleaning to do and I have edits to do. So you guys can get some videos for the next couple of weeks because I have things to do. So like I said, talk to me below. You saw my socials at the beginning. You saw all the cutaways of everything that I'm wearing. So I gotta go. Love, peace, hair products, fashion, beauty, sneakers, luxury, all that fun-filled stuff. Bye.